My name is Hannah Creviston, and I'm on the piano faculty here at Arizona State University. I'm the director of the piano pedagogy programs, and I also coordinate all of our class piano courses, one of which is this online piano class. And I'm the director of the music prep program and AZ Arts for All. I started playing the piano at the age of 6. I just loved it. I knew I wanted to be in music, and I knew I wanted that to be my career. For me, ASU is a really exciting place to be and to work because we have amazing students. They come in, they're very excited about learning, and my job allows me so much flexibility and a chance to really be creative in terms of what I'm doing.
This is a remarkable place. This is the largest comprehensive design and art school in America at a major research university. The Herberger Institute is an incredible collection of disciplines, majors, and schools. We're the only college in the nation that has 5 schools working together.
The ASU School of Music offers over 500 musical events a year. Anything from a student recital to a faculty guest artist recital. We're sitting right now in Katzen Hall. It's a 350-seat hall with state-of-the-art acoustics. People come to Arizona to record in this hall because the sound is so great here.
From the time I started piano lessons, my teachers always had me performing in recitals, so that was just a very natural part of who I was as a musician. You learn how to turn the nerves into a really positive thing, and you feed off of that energy, and it's a wonderful way to kind of interact and share music with other people, so I love performing. Even though I did degrees in piano performance, I knew somewhere along the way that I was not going to focus on a solo performance career. I have always enjoyed working with others and the interaction of playing with another person.
We have amazing faculty in the ASU School of Music. They're internationally renowned, they're performing all over the world, presenting their research all over the world, and they're known for what they do. They care about you, they're very compassionate about teaching, they're going to push you, they're going to challenge you, they want to see you succeed.
If you love music and you're excited about music, then absolutely sign up for the class, join us. I'm going to teach you some fundamentals and get you playing very, very basic piano pieces and help you learn about the basics of reading music and about rhythm and understanding music and how we approach music study. But you also have to commit to the practice time and to putting in the work and the effort needed to learn a musical instrument. I hope that everyone who is taking this class comes in excited about what they will learn and that they continue and keep that excitement throughout this course, and that you start attending more concerts and that you become a supporter and advocate for music and the arts. The Herberger online team and I have really enjoyed putting together this program, and we hope that you will join us.